Hi, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Today we're taking a look at the mimosa tree. Probably popular with some other people that have these as large specimens in their garden. I usually experiment with the plants that are growing a little smaller. If they get too big, it gets out of hand, and it really blows my mind that I wasn't more aware of the growing patterns and habits of certain plants. So what we're trying to do is just minimize the amount of stuff that's really growing in the garden. So everything's starting to get to the stage, so at different sizes, so I have to make a decision whether I'm going to continue with gardening, donate it to the Green Society behind the green plastic bales, or give it away to somebody. So that's where we stand right now with this unusual, I guess it's called the Touch Me Not palm. Let me see what I have to experiment on. Let me see. Let's get over here. Throw one of those leaves, go right over there. Doesn't do it for me. Alright. Oh, one there, see? It's supposed to fold over. I imagine the sun may have something to do with it, but at the moment, they're not folding for me. They're called the touch me not because when you basically touch them, like I did, they basically, the leaves fold down. There goes the AC. Sorry for the quiet, just got away. And the leaves fold down. Maybe me holding the camera may alter it, but as you can see, there are some blooms coming out. I forget the colors of them. I think they're white. Not sure at the moment. But let me just see if anything's blooming at the moment. Let's see anything blooming. But these little puppies just love to reproduce. As you can see, there's a little baby down there. It makes a nice landscape tree for those that have space. I imagine you could probably use them a bunch of potted plant species. Those are like house plants outside. I don't know how they would grow inside, but then again, yeah, everything nowadays you can make an experiment. And I'm just looking over at my ginger plants to see everything. And all I see is the red is coming and then slow, but it's coming. So this is Marty signing off from the mimosa tree, the touch me not plant, that likes to fold its leaves down when you touch it. Apparently not today. So thank you for stopping by. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. We're going through every plant that's growing in the Dougherty garden. So thank you for stopping by. Take care. Bye-bye.